All right, guys, today we're taking a tour of the Ellington floor plan, which is offered by Viera builders in the community of Laurasia. Now, the Ellington is situated on a 75-foot wide lot. It has 5 bedrooms, a flex space, 4.5 bathrooms, a bonus room, and it's all coming in at 3,937 square feet. Now, my favorite things about the floor plan is going to be the open concept, the large island, the massive pantry, and how most of the bedrooms are situated upstairs. Now, let's go ahead and walk through the front doors and take a peek at this one. All right, this is the front. All right, this is the Ellington when you first walk into the property. So to our immediate left, you're gonna have a bedroom, the primary bedroom. This is the flex space, and then the open area right ahead from us. So I'm gonna go ahead and start left so we can see this room here. So this would be best positioned as what they would call an in-law suite, because this bedroom has a walk-in closet as well as a full bathroom with a shower. So there's your closet. Moving through here, this is the flex space. So it could be closed off, utilized as an office, could be a play area, could just be an open space like that. Now the stairs will take you upstairs where there's 3 additional bedrooms, laundry space, and 2 other bathrooms. I will get there, but for now, let's keep the tour and continue going left, which gets us into the entire primary suite. So here is the primary bath. You have 2 vanities and a nice large shower here. Now there is the option to throw in a tub, and if you did that, both vanities would be on one side. And then here's your water closet. Nice to have a little power there so you can put your bidet. Moving through to see the actual bedroom itself. Big old walk-in closet with a nice little bump over there. And then the bedroom. We've got tray ceilings. There's some can lights up there. Nice windows for some natural light. And great views out here. Look at those skies. Another perspective. Keep moving. So this is the entire primary wing. Moving through, we've now made it into the open space. Just some under the stairs storage for you there. So kind of the living area that you're seeing. So living, dining, and then your kitchen set up here. So they have the fireplace here. This is a fireplace that has lights and it will emit heat. It is an electric fireplace. You already have the power up here on the wall, and this is nice if you wanted to mount your television and not have any cords dangle below. Those are the 3 sliders. Those will open up all the way and they stack to here. There is no hidden aspect to it. Show you what it looks like. This is as far as they open. Still gives you about 6 feet of opening into the patio. Another perspective here so you can see the kitchen, and then this is where we entered the property. So making our way into the kitchen and the dining setup. So designated dining space over here with, again, just great windows and some phenomenal natural light penetrating the property. Good sized island there with tons of cabinetry. You have your built-in oven and microwave, your gas range there, your cooktop, and then your ventilation. This is where the dishwasher would go. Refrigerator, more storage. I'll pop over here. This is the pantry. Some might call it overkill. I call it sufficient. And you've got this space over here, which could function as a what they call a cabana bath. It's a half bathroom that is right off of the backspace. So if you had a pool or anything out here, this would be a perfect bathroom for your guests that need to use the bathroom unless they decide to go in your pool. Just some more storage there. Not a pantry, more or less a linen closet. Another little view from here, which is where a lot of people stand when they're entertaining, so you can get an idea of what this looks like. Let's pop in over here. We've got a little catch-all here. Could be coffee, could be bar, could be where your mails and your keys go. And then downstairs, laundry with a sink. Gas hookup as well for a gas dryer. And then this is the garage. So if you park in the garage, this is effectively where you would enter from. So they label it as a 2-car plus golf cart garage space here, because technically this door is a little bit narrower than what you'd see most other garage doors. But the way the Ellington is laid out is you have a lot of space over here that gives you a bump for just the larger garage volume in itself. And making our way through. So if this is where you parked in the garage and you entered through, this is what it would look like coming home. I'll go upstairs and then we will finish on the patio. So got some stairs here. Not a complete straight shot up. I like how you have the elbow there to get up the stairs. So if someone falls, it's not a complete drop. And then here is your bonus room up here. Nice space. Plenty of room if you want to do couches, additional TV, pool table, all the kids' toys, workout, whatever you want to do, a great space for that. And moving through. So, upstairs air conditioner. All the way left, upstairs laundry. So you have 2 laundry rooms in this property. Full bathroom. Bedroom. And nice walk-in closet. More storage. Bedroom number 2 upstairs. Still a pretty generous sized closet. And then this kind of functions as a Jack and Jill bath. You have a sink dedicated for this bedroom, a shared toilet and bath space, and then a sink dedicated to this bedroom. And these 2 bedrooms are roughly the same size. More storage. Window overlooking the front of the property. And closet here. It's the smallest closet in the house. This could be for your least favorite child. And that is upstairs. Give you some more views of this space. Nice little overhang here. So the entry is very grand. And let's go ahead and head out to the patio. Here is the patio space. So out here, they have plumbing in case you want to do an outdoor kitchen. That's where your drain and your water supply would go. That is a gas bib, so if you wanted a grill, you have power. So this could all be an outdoor kitchen, mount a television, however you want it. And then if there was a pool, this is where the space for the pool would be. Now all the lots in Laurasia can support a pool. And as you can see, just 2 houses down, or 1 house down, they're actually doing a pool right over there. That is the Ellington. So the Ellington is one of my favorite floor plans. I love that it has the open concept downstairs, a bunch of bedrooms and a bonus space up, primary being on the down, and then the addition of that cabana bath over there I think is critical to this home, because most people would put a pool on a lot like this just so you have kind of everything going on. I love how large the pantry is. It's one of the biggest pantries that is offered in Laurasia, so I am a big fan of that. And then I do like the size of the garage, how it has an additional space where if you wanted to put workbenches, shelving, or even kind of set it up as a workout facility there. So the Ellington, one of the biggest in Laurasia. It is the biggest in Laurasia, has the most amount of bedrooms and spaces offered, and it's just a very, very functional floor plan.